So I just received this yesterday, so I wanted to get a video. I haven't opened it yet, so I wanted to, get in a video of unboxing it, and then I'll be building it using just the included tools with it. So you can see how easily it is to put together. So let's go ahead and just crack this open and see what's in there. Right away in the box here, you have a couple information cards with tips and kind of package contents and some additional tips on here. And then you have your instruction and assembly book that goes through and describes how to assemble this machine. So the first thing you notice is it's a different color than the original one. It's a black colored frame, which I like a lot. The original one was a grayish color, and then they did have a special edition that was red and blue. But this one is black, and it's like a matte black, and it's really, really nice. I like it a lot, actually. Wish the original one was black. I think I like that a lot better. So you have your side frames here. Let's see what else is in here. This is your, looks like the front here. This is the front of the machine. It's pretty heavy. Looks like you have your stepper motor, instead of being in the back of the machine, it's actually in the front of the machine, and you have your control board right here in the front. It's a different board than the original Laser Master 3. I'll have to verify that. I might take it apart and just do a comparison against the original one, but it does look different to me. And then you could see that it's missing a couple things that were included on the original Laser Master. So it only has the power button here and the status LED button. It's missing the key, the lockout key, and also the emergency stop button. So with this machine, the original Laser Master 3 calls out like 7 safety features. This one is the 5, only 5, which are not including, the button, the e-stop button, and then the lockout key. So still has the same other safety features of the original one. But yeah, it's got some weight to it. I think everything, probably that's the main weight of the machine is in the front here. It's already got your harness, your wire harness, plugged in and attached to the front. Here's for your x-axis, the gantry for the x-axis. So far, it's hasn't been any quality issues that I see with the machine. So let's keep digging in here. The air hose for the air assist is included. This is your laser harness, wire harness. Some more the other parts for your air assist. So the kind of the valve for the air assist. Your power supply. 12 or 24-volt power supply. USB cable. The rear of the machine, so the rear of the frame is included here. It has your, looks like your belts are already attached on it. So we'll get into how to tension those up. Laser goggles. Power cord. Here's your Wi-Fi antenna and your micro USB stick with the micro USB card, or the micro USB card with the USB adapter. Other side rail. It's your laser module. So it's the LU2-10A, so the same one on the Laser Master 3. And then the hardware for it, so your air assist, the nozzle, and then your thumb screw to tighten it to the X-axis. And then you have your tools, screws, and material zip ties in the back. So I think I grabbed everything out of here. So yeah, make sure I didn't miss anything. Looks all good. So yeah, same kind of packaging as the original Laser Master 3. You know, with the foam inserts, it's well packaged. I did have some damage on the outside of the box here. I was always worried, you know, there's be some damage to the machine, but they packed it. The packaging is well made, that there was not any damage to the actual machine. Go ahead and clear this out, and we'll jump into the build of it.